Good morning, students. Welcome to part 2 of our chapter number 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals. In that, we have seen the conservation of forest, the biosphere reserve, and the flora and fauna. Now, the endemic species. What are the endemic species? Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. That type of species जो एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ही मिलती है और कहीं पे अपने आप नहीं मिलती है naturally. That species are called the endemic species. It can be of plants and animals both. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone, a state, or a country. Right? Madhavji shows sal and wild mango as two examples of endemic flora of the Panchmal Biosphere Reserve. वो ऐसे दो प्लांट्स हैं जो सिर्फ वहाँ पे ही होते हैं और कहीं पे नहीं होते. So they are called the endemic species. And if we are talking about plants, means it is flora. So the examples of two floras, endemic floras of Panchmari Biosphere Reservoir, wild mango and sal. Then bison, Indian giant squirrel and the flying squirrel. They are the endemic fauna of this area. Giant squirrel, the flying squirrel and the bison. These are the endemic faunas of this Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Professor explains that the destruction of their habitat, increasing population and introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of endemic species and endanger their existence. बढ़ता हुआ पॉपुलेशन और जिस तरह से हम फॉरेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, दिस में लीड टू देयर डेंजर टू देयर एग्जिस्टेंस. उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए ये सब डेंजर हो सकता है. राइट. नेक्स्ट पेज, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. नाउ व्हाट इज अ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी? पहली सी इज अ बोर्ड विथ पंचमारी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. आगे बढ़ते हुए दे वेंट टू बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. In that, now there is a board of wildlife sanctuary. जैसे रिजर्व्स होती है वैसे फॉरेस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज भी एनिमल्स के लिए ही होती है. But killing or capturing animals is generally and strictly prohibited and punishable by law in such places. Wildlife sanctuaries like reserve, forest provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. Reserve की तरह ही जो sanctuaries होती है, they also provide protection and suitable living condition to wild animals. He also tells them that people living in wildlife sanctuaries are allowed to do certain activities such as grazing by their livestock, collecting medicinal plants, firewood, etc. वहाँ पे कुछ peoples भी रहते हैं. Some tribes also live there. They are allowed for some special things like collecting medicinal plant, firewood. It is a pity that even protected forests are not safe because people living in the neighborhood encroach upon them and destroy them. They are also now not safe because as population is growing, people need more space and they are going on destroying the forest. Children are reminded to their visit to the zoo. They recall that zoos are also places where animals receive protection. Can you tell me a difference between a zoo and a wildlife sanctuary? Zoo में yes, animals are kept in a cage, while in wildlife sanctuary उनको natural habitat मिलता है, right? They can move freely. Now the national park. Satpura National Park, which is there in the Panchmar Reserve, right? Children are now eager to go there. So professor tells them that these reserves are large and diverse enough to protect whole sets of ecosystems. They preserve flora, fauna, landscape and historic objects of an area. सिर्फ फ्लोरा फोना नहीं, हिस्ट्री भी वहाँ पे प्रोटेक्ट होती है. Some type of people, tribes also live there. Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest of India. It is the first reserve forest. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. Indian teak. It is a type of plant. सबसे अच्छा टीक प्लांट कहाँ पे मिलता है? वहाँ के फॉरेस्ट में. There are more than 100 national parks in India. More than 100 national parks are there. As children move ahead, they see a board with Satpura Tiger Reserve. Now, what is a tiger reserve? Special place for tiger. Specially सिर्फ टाइगर्स वहाँ आराम से रह सकते हैं, उनके लिए एक रिजर्व है, दैट इज अ टाइगर रिजर्व. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tigers in the country. The objective of this project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population in the country. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect tiger. Tiger is one of many species which are slowly disappearing from our forest. ऐसी स्पीस है जो धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही है, उसमें से एक टाइगर भी है. But the Satpura Tiger Reserve is unique in the sense that a significant increase in the population of tigers has been seen here. Once upon a time, animals like lion, elephant, wild buffalo, you can see their pictures are given, huh? And Barasingha were also found in the Satpura National Park. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. You can underline the definition of endangered animals. Animals whose number are diminishing to a level. Diminishing means going on decreasing. कम होता जा रहा है. That might face extinction are known as endangered species. They are known endangered species. Okay. You heard about dinosaurs, right? जो अब नहीं है. So they are extincted. Now they are not there. Survival of some animals has also become difficult because of disturbances in their natural habitat. If we destroy forest, then their habitat is disturbed and it may result into their extinctions. Professor tells them that in order to protect animals and plants, strict rules are imposed in all national parks. A law is passed, strict rules are there for this. Human activities such as grazing, poaching, hunting, capturing of animals, these all are strictly prohibited in these national parks so that they can maintain the natural habitat of the animals. Right? Professor tells Bailey that small animals are much more in danger. At times we kill snakes, frogs, lizards, bats, owl, है ना, मार देते हैं without realizing their importance in ecosystem. By killing them, we are harming ourselves only. They might be small in size, but their role is very important. It can't be ignored. They form part of food chains and food webs, about which you have learned in class 7. फूड चेन देखा था ना, छोटे से छोटा एनिमल भी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. इफ वी किल स्नेक्स देन द अमाउंट ऑफ रेट विल इंक्रीज, क्योंकि स्नेक ऐसा होता है जो चूहों को खा जाता है. अब हम स्नेक्स को मारने लगेंगे तो चूहे बढ़ जाएंगे, क्योंकि चूहे को खत्म करने वाले स्नेक्स को हम खुद ही मार रहे हैं. राइट? सो एन इकोसिस्टम इज मेड ऑफ ऑल द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. So we should not harm any of them. Now the red book, data book. Here we are completing this video. The homework is read these things one time. Red data book, migration, recycling of paper and reforestation. Then we will go ahead. Thank you.